వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ తవ కథామృతం తప్త జీవనం.
ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. नानाशास्त्रविचारणैकनिपुणौ सद्धर्मसंस्थापकौ लोकानां हितकारिणौ त्रिभुवने मान्यौ शरण्याकरौ राधाकृष्णपदारविन्दभजनानन्देन मत्तालिकौ वन्दे रूपसनातनौ रघुयुगौ श्रीजीवगोपालकौ. एन्वोय उत्साह निश्चय धैर्य तत्कर्म प्रवर्तना संगत्यागो सतवृत्ते सद्भिर्भक्ति प्रसिद्ध्यति. This is episode 6. Ultimately, they are devotees. They may have some bad habits. They may have stomach. They may have even misguided. That ultimately they may have some faith in Krishna, and that faith should be respected. So these 5 items are extremely important, and access to all in the association hearing Srimad Bhagavatam. You need association. Residing in a sacred place, you need association. If you go alone, you will be bewildered. For all items, you need the association of devotees. Maximally benefit from them. Therefore, sadhu sangha sarvashastre kaya lavamatra sadhu sangha sarvasiddhi haya. Because within that sadhu sangha, all other appliances of the available. Tulasi Devi available. Everything is there in sadhu sangha. Lord Chaitanya glorified sadhu sangha. So next item is sangatyaga. This is tattat karma pravartanat. So if you focus on the within that, you get everything. Follow the 4 regulated principles nicely. Do these things very enthusiastically. Then you will become very much treasure. Everybody will become rich. But in Kali Yuga, we work for that wealth. Our process is called elevator method, right? But elevator is installation expensive. What is installation? Shraddha. So the elevator is sadhu sangha. That requires more faith. So you have to be enthusiastic. 2 things. 1, giving up bad association. 2, giving up attachments and aversion. In this ways, we contemplate this birth after birth. Positive contemplation. It develops attachment. There is negative contemplation, develops aversion. Oh, this devotee is very strict. You keep contemplation like that. You become inimical towards him. If you contemplate, he is very wonderful. He really wants Srila Prabhupada. It develops attachment because we are doing this for many births. So, the ancient prejudices, there is recent prejudices. Ancient prejudices are those we accumulated over many births, long time. These impressions come all of a sudden without know the spectrum. Sometimes even if you feel that I have similar experience, before one even feels it, those impressions will all have to be given up. That is Sangatyaga. Certain attachments and aversions are coming from ancient prejudices, what we called as Swabhava. It is just an accumulation of previous prejudices. We function in certain modes of nature or certain ways, so the remedy for ancient prejudices is simply sadhu sangha, nothing else. The only thing that can take care of this, if you want to change your nature of body, that can only be done association with devotees. You have to open your heart for devotees. It is a matter of changing our subtle body, the way you think. Subtle body. Use intelligence, the crippled, the fast present prejudices. That's why Brahmana is broad-minded. The most people are crippled by this, severely handicapped. Even in our moment, sometimes bigger these things, without even really understanding that we can even see them. Brahmana is broad-minded. He first of all gives the benefit of doubt. Especially, there must be another side. Of course, if you are very, very dear, spiritual master indicates that something very important. You don't have to do this. You can accept it. Generally, spiritual master don't comment about others, because any comment by them may be taken seriously. This is one of the qualities of spiritual master. He does not comment about others, otherwise absolutely necessary for his service. I have been serving so many years. My spiritual master never comments unless it is service to Krishna. Even good points in them, he never comments. Those things from references. One word from such a person. Oh, he is a very nice person, or he is not a very nice person. And to remove recent prejudices, preferences, one has to observe different types of vratas, such as Ekadasi, Ashtami, that will overcome the attachments in this life. What is aversion? What is attachment? Those things that your senses and mind like, you become attached to them. Those things that your mind senses you don't like, you become detached or averse to them. So, by performance of Vrata, those things which are gathered in this life, they can be removed. Sangha also means association. Association, attachment. It does not only mean attachment, association. Sangha means how Sangha develop. When you start contemplating things, that means Sangha develops. If you don't contemplate, you are living in the totally different world altogether. If you contemplate those things, then those things effective. Then it becomes attachment or aversion. So we should stop contemplating. Rather, we should contemplation about our Guru Krishna. Mahasya dvaramahuhu vimukte. Now we discuss about Sangatyaga. Sangha means association. Sangha also means attachment develops due to many lifetimes, prejudices and preferences. So we have to give up attachments, and only the way to give up attachment, this by attaching towards the devotees. Asat Sangyag, Vaishnavachar, that is what Lord Chaitanya told. Sacharaj Khan, the devotee of Lord Krishna, Lord Chaitanya, who is to be understood to be Vaishnava. Who is to be understood to be Vaishnava? He gives the association with attachment to matter, asat, unless we give up calculations of bodily conception of life. Bodily conception means aham, mama. Unless you calculate based on Krishna's interest, attachment to material things will continue. We have to start evaluating things based on Krishna's interest. That is not easy. श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय, निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे, हरि हरि बोल, हरे